Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to a very good off-campus drive opportunity for 22-23 batch, job opportunity for 22 batch and internship opportunity for 23 batch from CodeAgon Trilogy Innovation, that is formerly known as Trilogy Innovation. Salary is 36.5 LPA package, stipend is 1.5 lakh rupees, and in this video we discuss about the complete process, how you can apply for this opportunity. This is work from home opportunity also. BE, btech, ME, mtech, MCA courses are eligible. So let's start the video. Okay, so as you can see, the interview bid platform, on the interview bid platform, CodeAgon 2021 are officially announced. Win cash prizes and a chance to bag a job offer worth over 36 lakh at Trilogy Innovations. Okay, some previous month there is an on-campus opportunity for the 22-23 gets, but this time for 22-23 batch students, this opportunity is off-campus. It will be start in 9 days, 1 hour 44 minutes. Location is remote Bangalore. Position is SDE intern. Package is 36.5 lakh per annum, and it's time to show off hacking skills. To start with, Trilogy Innovation, formerly known as Codenation Innovation Lab, is conducting a nationwide coding challenge. Okay, you will be solving about 6 challenge focused around algorithm and data structure. You have to get a chance to win prizes over 2 lakhs and chance to interview with TI for the position of software development engineer for 2022 graduate student and summer internship for 2023 graduate student. Okay, as you can see on my screen, eligibility is the code sprint is open to all participants. Like if you are a freshers graduating in 22-23 year, pursuing BE, btech, ME, MCA, MS dual degree, you are eligible for these opportunities. Okay, what are the rules and scoring? You can see that please expect 6 to 8 week post competition to receive your prizes. What are the scoring criteria? If I talk about this role, like software development engineer, so the Trilogy University is model from US Navy SEAL training program. Okay, and this is one of the kind training meant to transform your tech professionals. So the compensations for that, after TU all projects are assessed. In if their project idea of TU that pass all test cases, the team get to further works on idea. Compensation is 36.5 lakh per annum. Base is 30 LPA, 1 lakh joining bonus, 1 lakh TU graduation bonus, 2 lakh other benefits, up to 2.5 lakh base annual target bonus. Location is remote Bangalore. This is for the 2022 batch. Okay, if I talk about the internship, so the 2-month internship program in Bangalore is a snapshot, and the location is remote Bangalore, and it is very good internship. You have to work on the live project. Okay, so the stipend is 1.5 lakh per month, and live project where you can see the impact of what you create in this 2 month. Okay, so prices are 1 lakh cash plus TI merchandise, 50,000 cash for second, third is 25,000. Okay, about Trilogy Innovation you can see that, and how to register for this opportunity. Before completing the register of this opportunity, there is a very good platform that known as Relevel, that is by Unacademy, and you can get your dream job in 15 days, and you can shine with your Relevel profile, land on monthly leaderboard, you can win exciting prizes. There are 3 type of tests on the Relevel. So many MNCs are here. If you are from 18 to 25 years of age, you can apply for this Relevel test. Business development, front end, back end development are there. Front end development and business development have 10 lakh package, 15 lakh package. Cred, Urban Pro, Razorpay, top MNCs are here. You can just click on register for free and book your slot. And after that, if you got the good score, and if you want to make the good score, so after that there is an interview with India's finest company. Okay, so that is similar for front end and that is similar for back end. So you can just click on the link in the description and apply for this opportunity. This is very good opportunity. How we can apply for this opportunity? Okay, so you have to just click on register to participate, and as you can see that this type of a page will become. This is a programming test. Okay, this is JavaScript. Like you have to select your university or college. Like I just select Rajiv Gandhi University. Okay, RGPV Bhopal. I just select. Graduation year is I just pick the 2022. If you are from 2022, what is Bachelor of Technology? Okay. After that, what is your branch, like computer science, engineering? After that, internship company. If you have specify your internship experience or project, how do you reach out? You have to just fill your number. Okay. After that, like you have to just fill your number. I just take the number, and after that you have to register for a contest. So you can see that this will be redirecting in 15 seconds. Contest registration successful. Please wait while we redirect you to the contest, or click here. Okay, so we have to just wait for some seconds, and after that we have to just see that we are just apply for this opportunity. You can see that this is the registered option, and duration is 4 hours for this test, and join Discord community. If you want some videos or preparation, or some preparation related video resources video, so you can comment in the comment section or DM me in Instagram. This is very good opportunity. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. Please like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.